How to kick somebody from group chat on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch any of your web application and at the top search bar type in discord.com, get logged into your Discord account. Once done, you will see a page like this. Under here, click on the direct messages of your Discord page. And here you can also type in the name of the group or just select the existing group. In my case, I'm going to go with my server. On your right hand side, you will see all the member or the bots that you have installed in your server. In order to kick them out of the group, right click onto it. Here you will see kick this person. Click onto it. Now give it any reason that you would like. Once done, click onto kick. And just like so, this is how you can kick a member from group chat on Discord. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.